Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel a scheduled email in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails and folders so everything is ready to go. Now, once your inbox is fully loaded, let's get into canceling that scheduled email. The key here is knowing where Outlook stores emails that are waiting to be sent. Navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen where all your email folders are displayed. This is where you'll find everything from your inbox to your drafts and other important folders. From this list of folders, locate and click on your Outbox folder. This is the crucial step because the Outbox is specifically where Outlook stores all unsent and scheduled emails before they're automatically sent on their designated date and time. Think of it as a holding area for messages that haven't gone out yet, which means you still have full control over them. Once you open the Outbox, you'll see a list of all the emails currently waiting to be sent. These could be emails you scheduled for later or messages that are still in the process of being delivered. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific email you want to cancel. You can identify it by checking the subject line, recipient, or scheduled send time. After you've found the email you want to cancel, simply select it by clicking on it once. Then delete the email just like you would any other message in Outlook. You can either press the delete key on your keyboard or click the delete icon in the toolbar. By deleting the email from your Outbox, you're effectively canceling it before it gets sent on the scheduled date. The email will be moved to your deleted items folder and it will no longer be queued for sending. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your scheduled email in Outlook before it was sent. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.